So, Liv, how much butter are you going to use?
1.5.
250 grams. Now. All right, Liz, you're going to put the butter in your bowl?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Liv, how much sugar are you going to put in?
375
Very good.
grams of sugar.
Great. All right, Liv, you going to cream your butter and sugar?
Yep.
Liv, I'm dying to know what we're making. What are you making?
Banana bread.
Banana bread? Why?
Because it's Daddy's birthday.
Oh, today is Daddy's birthday. What a fun day to start your first baking video. Oh, I see you're putting the eggs in. How many eggs are going in our banana bread? 4. All right. So, Liv, what are you doing now?
We're going to mix it.
We're going to cream the eggs, butter, and sugar. Excellent. Let's see it. That looks creamy. All right, so we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. All right, Liv, how many teaspoons of baking soda are we putting in? 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons?
2 teaspoons, yes. 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Such a good idea that you're doing it over the sink, Liv, because look, all that saltiness would have went into your batter. Good deal. All right, Libby's adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now Libby's going to add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now Libby's going to add 6 ripe bananas. That's the ripest we have, so we'll have to make do. But we usually like to have them really brown, maybe even black. But this is what we'll have to do for Daddy's birthday.
Yep.
Use those muscles. Now, are you going to put that on the floor so somebody can come by and just slip on it?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. Getting all those stringy thingies off. That's a good idea. And into the batter. Uh-huh. Yummy. All right, Libby's got all 6 bananas in her batter. Go ahead and mix it up real good.
What is gonna get everywhere?
Smash it. Smash, smash, smash. Now Libby's going to add 5 tablespoons of milk. All right, last mix. Here we go.
Here we go. I'm kind of scared.
Make sure it's down on 1, babe. There you go. Okay, so Livy's gonna take her scoop and scoop closer. There you go. She already has some muffin liners ready, and instead of doing a banana bread loaf, we're going to do banana muffins.
Mommy, it's getting squished.
All right, Livy has already presetted her oven to 350, and she's going to put in her muffins into the oven. Excellent. Okay, go ahead and set your timer for 20 minutes.
Wait, doing this.
Yep. Okay, our 20-minute timer just went off. Livy is going to get the muffins out. How do they look, Liv? They smell delicious. They look gorgeous. Nice.